Most ceramic products only protect one surface. The HydroLine is different. It's a complete ceramic ecosystem designed to protect every surface of your car, inside and out, in a single product family. 13 products, every surface. Today, we're breaking down the whole line. This is going to be the last step in the detailing flowchart. After you clean everything, it is time to protect your investment. Now, the most common question we always get is what's the difference between a ceramic and a wax? And they're very, very different actually. A ceramic is going to act like a shield on your clear coat or whatever surface you apply it onto, and it's going to create a hydrophobic barrier. So like this, whenever tree sap, bird droppings, overspray, fallout land on it, it's going to be accelerating off. Compared to a natural carnauba wax, a ceramic is going to last longer, it's going to be more durable and hydrophobic. Before you apply any ceramic to your car, whether it's the interior or exterior, we always recommend cleaning the car thoroughly and decontaminating the surface. Be sure to check out our other videos using the link down below so you can learn how to clay, how to polish, how to wash your car. So like this, whenever you get to this step, you're going to be getting the best results. The HydroLine has one thing in common, the SiO2 molecule, but we did design each one individually so it has different surfaces you could be applying it to. Because we have 13 different products, we're going to be breaking them down in two sections, interior and exterior. Let's talk about the anchor of the HydroLine, HydroSlick and HydroCharge Plus. These are going to be causing the most hydrophobic barrier on the surface of your paint. HydroSlick is designed as a HyperWax, which is going to be giving you the opportunity and ability to apply a ceramic like you would do with any traditional wax. It's as simple as shaking up the bottle, grabbing a microfiber applicator, applying a couple of drops and spraying it out on a 2x2 area. Now, if you're that person that wants to spray on, wipe off formula, you could also go ahead and pick up our HydroCharge Plus. Spray directly onto an applicator, work it in a 2x2 area, and then wipe it right off. After you let it settle on the surface of the paint for 30 seconds to a minute, depending on the humidity and the weather. If it's a little bit colder, let it sit for a minute. If it's a little bit more humid, let it sit for 30 seconds, then wipe it right off and move on to your next section. Both of these products can be applied on many different surfaces, on your wheels, on your glass, on your headlights, on your tail lights, on your metal. So like this, everything stays protected all around. Now that we have the base covered, we can expand out. For example, let's talk about quick detail sprays. We have two different ones. We have HydroBlitz and HydroSpeed. HydroBlitz has a ceramic and wax all-in-one, and this is going to be for anybody that likes a wax finish with a ceramic shine. It's as simple as spraying it directly onto the surface, wiping it right off, and if you're that fan fanatic that loves only a ceramic shine, we also have HydroSpeed. They're both very similar, spray on, wipe off formula, but one's going to give it a wax shine compared to the other, going to give it a ceramic shine. And this is going to help you maintain the base layer of the HydroSlick and HydroCharge Plus that's already on your paint. Now, say for example, your car got dirty over the week, and now it's time to wash your car. We did design a ceramic soap called HydroSuds. HydroSuds is an SiO2 infused soap that's going to rejuvenate any ceramic properties or ceramic coatings sitting on the surface of your car. Apply 1 to 2 ounces into a foam cannon, foam blaster, or 2-bucket method and wash your car. This is going to rejuvenate any water beading off the surface of your car. And for example, if you don't have access to running water and still want to wash your car, don't worry, we still have you covered. HydroGlide is our ceramic waterless wash. It's a simple spray and wipe formula. It has waterless wash lubricants with ceramic properties. So like this, your base layer gets revived with every single wipe. Now, in the middle of drying your car, how do you drive it to prevent any water spots? And you want to re-infuse your water beading. And that's why we have HydroDry. HydroDry is a ceramic infused drying aid that's going to revitalize any water beading or ceramic coating to stay on the surface of the car. We always recommend using HydroDry to revitalize your ceramic coating because think about it, every single day, your ceramic takes wear and tear from UV rays, bird droppings, overspray, fallout. So by using a HydroDry, it's going to eliminate water spots and revitalize your ceramic coating. So I'm pretty sure you have streaky glass and you want to add some type of protection to it, and you want to make sure your glass is 20/20 vision at all times. And that's how we have HydroView. HydroView is a ceramic infused glass cleaner that's super easy to use. All you need to do is pair it up with a microfiber towel, spray directly onto the surface and wipe it off clean. This is going to activate an accelerating water barrier that's going to accelerate any water or any liquids off the glass. So like this, whenever it rains, bird droppings down on it, it's not going to etch into your glass and you're always going to have streak-free glass. So now that we covered the exterior paint and glass, we need to cover up another important section of your car, which is going to be your wheels and tires. That's how we have HydroSpin. HydroSpin is a ceramic wheel and rim ceramic coating that's going to prevent any brake dust from etching into the surface of your wheels. We already know all OEM wheels, aftermarket wheels can get very expensive, but by ceramic coating them, you're going to prevent any brake dust from etching and discoloring and fading your wheel finishes. So once you're done ceramic coating your wheels, we always recommend adding some type of ceramic coating to your tires. Tires are going to be the one that has the most contact with the road, and over time you will be getting tire blooming. Using something like HydroShield is going to prevent any tire blooming while delivering a deep black finish shine to your tires. It is a water-based dressing. What the good thing about it is we could also use this product on the interior, on your vinyl, rubber, and plastic pieces. If you're that person that leaves your car outside with no garage, I always recommend protecting your exterior trim and vinyl using our HydroShield. Now we're moving on to the interior. We only have 3 different products. Let's talk about HydroInterior. This one's going to allow you to clean up all the dusty areas on your dashboards, your glove box, your door panels, your steering wheels, and more. Simply spray directly onto a surface and wipe it off clean, or spray directly onto a towel and wipe it off clean, and you're good to go. If you want to have the maximum protection on your fabric and you already know someone's going to be in your car, like toddlers or little ones that's going to be spilling liquids, we recommend ceramic coating your fabric. So like this, whenever they spill something on the fabric, it's going to puddle up on top, and it's going to give you enough time for you to go get a microfiber towel and dry it up before it seeps into the fabric. Now, the only interior product that is going to be having a different application is going to be our HydroThread. Now, HydroThread, you want to finally mist it onto the surface of the fabric. You either want to brush it into the fabric or work it into the fabric using a microfiber towel. After you do that, you want to let it sit without any contact on the fabric seat or surface for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you will start seeing accelerating water beading if liquids do come in contact with the fabric. Now, if you're that person that has a lot of contact on your leather and you want to protect it from cracking, discoloring, fading over time, we also have our HydroLeather. Our HydroLeather is going to rejuvenate any leather surfaces while also delivering a ceramic finish to it, so that this should prevent any cracking, discoloring, or any fading on your leather. And before I forget, we could also use our HydroShield on the interior on your vinyl, rubber, and plastic pieces to rejuvenate them and make them look factory finish again. Now you know everything about the HydroLine, let's just do a quick recap. Remember this. The base layer is going to be HydroSlick and HydroCharge Plus. A quick detail spray is going to be HydroBlitz and HydroSpeed. For your exterior drying and washing is going to be our HydroDry, HydroSuds, and HydroGlide for your waterless wash needs, as well as touching up your wheels and tires, which is going to be HydroShield and HydroSpin. And of course, we can't forget glass, which is going to be HydroView. For your interior, we also have our HydroInterior, HydroLeather, and HydroThread. And remember, this is going to be your last step in your detail series, from your wash to your polish to your protection using ceramic. I hope this clarified tons of questions for you guys, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you guys next time here at Chemical Guys.